So hello guys again. I just watched how to prepare this pro-stop injection. Yeah, it's a bit confusing, but it looks easier when watching, but I don't know. Easier said than done. I'm going to start my injection now, so wish me luck. And I'm going to prepare first. Actually, in my nurse who gave this to me or sent this to me, there's an instruction of how to prepare this injection. So yeah, it's in here. So first it says, prepare immediately before administration. Wash your hand, which I wash my hands already. Let's just open it. There you go. It's open. Yeah, that's it. Then I'll just take the plunger, screw the plunger rod into the end stopper until the end stopper begins to turn. So yeah, this way. That's it. And still keeping the syringe upright, upright. Gently tap the syringe on the palm hold the syringe upright and push the plunger rod slowly until the middle stopper is at the blue line. So as you can see, the blue line is there. So we need to push the plunger until it reaches the blue line. Slowly but gently. There you go. So it reaches already. So still keeping the syringe upright. Gently tap the syringe on the palm on the other hand until the solution has been mixed thoroughly and a milky solution has been formed. So let's just tap. Yes. Then remove needle guard. So I'm going to remove the needle guard. How to remove this needle guard. Goodness me, struggling. Okay. There you go. Oh, sorry. I managed to take it off. And there you go. Yes, and remove needle guard and push the plunger rod to expel any air from the syringe. Okay. So just push. Right, I think there's no air already. Yeah. So it's all ready. Good luck. Then the injection is now ready to administer and should be given immediately. The needle is sterile and should not be touched or put down before administration. Choose a comfortable sitting position. Fully expose the lower abdomen or thigh. Insert the needle at 45 or 90 degrees if the abdomen is used, then inject it in the area below the umbilicus. Pierce the skin to a depth of around 2/3 of the needles and slowly push the plunger down, injection all the solution. Once you have finished injecting, remove injection and discard the needle and syringe into the sharp container. Occasionally, there may be light bleeding or fluid from the injection site. If so, cover with clean cotton wool or tissue and apply gentle pressure for a short time. So, ayan po. A moment. Magsipusin yun na ako. Yeah, my camera was low bat, so I need to use my phone. So, let's say I'm going to inject my injection now. And my big tummy, okay. Sorry. So it says just below the umbilicus, so which is here. So wish me luck. Oh, there. Wait, just take off the thing. Oh goodness me. Just below the umbilicus here. Whew. Good luck. I'm so scared. Sorry. Oh, I did it. It's stinging. So it's stinging a bit. Oh dear me. Aww. I managed to do it, so yes. But still, I can still feel the pain. But at last I did it. Yeah, and at least it's only one injection, not like almost 2 weeks like the first one. So yes, I've done it, guys. Yeah, I tried my best, so I'm just happy. So sorry about that. I just remembered my first IVF. I've done injection for, I think it's almost 2 weeks, and I'm just so lucky now because it's only one injection, so nothing more, nothing less. Yeah, it's only one. Yes, and thank you guys for still supporting and following us with our IVF journey, and I hope and I pray that everything will be all right, like gonna be positive results soon. Fingers crossed po. Yes, and thank you guys, thank you talaga. And yeah, so I think I'll end up my video now because I'm going to pick up my daughter at school anytime soon. So yes, thank you again, and keep safe everyone, and God bless. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe on my YouTube channel, like and share my video, and hit that notification bell so you will be notified with my new video. So thank you again. Bye bye.